Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: How to filter out HTML tags and resolve entities in Python. Introduction. HTML tags and entities can clutter your text data and make it difficult to work with. Fortunately, Python provides libraries like beautifulsoup and HTML that make it easy to filter out HTML tags and resolve entities from text. In this tutorial, we will explore both approaches with code examples. Method 1, using beautifulsoup. Beautifulsoup is a popular Python library for web scraping and parsing HTML. It can also be used to filter out HTML tags from text. Step 1, install beautifulsoup. If you haven't already, install beautifulsoup using pip. Step 2, import beautifulsoup. Import the necessary modules. Step 3, remove HTML tags. This code uses beautifulsoup to parse the HTML text and then retrieves the plain text content without HTML tags. Method 2, using the HTML module. The HTML module in Python's standard library provides functions for handling HTML entities. Step 1, import the HTML module. Step 2, filter out HTML tags and resolve entities. In this code, we first use html.unscape to resolve HTML entities like and. Then, we use beautifulsoup to remove any remaining HTML tags from the text. Conclusion. Filtering out HTML tags and resolving entities from text in Python is essential for various tasks, such as text analysis and natural language processing. You can choose either beautifulsoup or the HTML module, depending on your specific needs. These methods make it straightforward to clean and process HTML-rich text data, making it more manageable and suitable for your applications. ChatGPT.